What if I told you the next crypto millionaires aren't buying Bitcoin? They're not betting on Ethereum either. They're quietly loading up on 2 altcoins with real-world utility, enterprise backing, and explosive upside. These are the coins crypto experts are buying, but barely anyone is talking about. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know why XRP and HBAR might be your best bets for 2025 and beyond. Chapter 1. The crypto shift in 2021. It was dog coins. In 2022, we survived the crash. In 2023, regulation hit like a truck. But now in 2025, we're entering a new era. Crypto is maturing. Utility, not hype, is winning. And that's why smart money is moving differently now. They're not chasing meme coins. They're investing in blockchains solving real-world problems. And 2 projects stand at the center of this transformation. XRP, the king of cross-border payments. HBAR, the rising star of enterprise-grade DLT. Chapter 2, XRP. The institutional money magnet. What is XRP? XRP was built to move money across borders. Fast, cheap, and scalable. It's not just a coin. It's a payment protocol designed to replace SWIFT. And after winning major legal clarity against the SEC, XRP is finally back in the spotlight. Who's using XRP? RippleNet is now being integrated into global banks. Countries like Japan, South Korea, and even parts of Europe are exploring XRP-based remittances. Bank of America, Santander, and even Western Union have tested Ripple technology. This isn't theory, this is adoption. XRP's price potential as of today. XRP is trading around $3.10 after bouncing back from a sharp correction. But here's the kicker. 2017 ADH. $3.84 real utility just beginning. Whales accumulating more XRP than ever. CoinCentral 2025. Analysts predict $5 to $10 XRP in the next bull wave, and that means, yes, 3x to 5x is possible, even from here. Why experts love XRP? XRP is regulatory cleared, utility-based, and already in real-world finance. While Bitcoin is a store of value, XRP is money in motion. That's why crypto veterans are quietly accumulating XRP before the masses catch up. Chapter 3, HBAR. The future of enterprise blockchain. What is HBAR? HBAR is the native token of the Hedera hash graph, a new kind of distributed ledger technology. Unlike traditional blockchains, it uses a hash graph consensus, which is faster, fairer, and more secure. Who's behind HBAR? This is where it gets serious. Governing council members include Google, IBM, LG, Dell, Boeing, and Standard Bank. These companies don't gamble, they build long-term infrastructure. In short, Hedera is like the Silicon Valley of blockchain. Real-world use cases tracking carbon credits for global sustainability, tokenizing assets in supply chain, and real estate micropayments for IoT devices used by U.S. credit unions for faster transaction settlements. BAR's price setup currently trading near 14 cents. HBAR is up 125% this past month. Analysts say a breakout above 15 cents could take it to 25 cents, then possibly $1 if adoption scales. And remember, HBAR has enterprise usage, not just retail hype. That's long-term gold in crypto. Why experts are buying HBAR solves a major blockchain problem: efficiency at scale. It's ideal for governments, banks, and global corporations. Think of it like this. Bitcoin equals gold, Ethereum equals oil, HBAR equals the internet backbone. That's why it's quietly being loaded into institutional wallets. Chapter 4. XRP versus HBAR. Which one wins? So which one is better, XRP or HBAR? Truth is, they're solving different problems. Feature XRP HBAR focus global payments, enterprise solutions, speed 3 seconds, 1 second. Hash graph, partnerships, banks, fintechs. Big tech, governments. Energy usage, very low, ultra low. Potential ROI, 3x, 10x in 2025. 5x, 15x in 2025. If XRP is the money highway, then HBAR is the infrastructure behind the scenes. That's why experts are buying both. They're not competitors, they're complementary. Chapter 5. How to invest wisely. If you're a beginner, start small. $100 in XRP, $100 in HBAR. Dollar cost average in. Use trusted US exchanges like Coinbase or Uphold. If you're a pro trader, consider market timing. Watch for XRP dips below $2.50. Watch for HBAR retests near 12 cents. Follow the volume, on-chain metrics, and whale wallets, and always protect yourself. Use a cold wallet, don't chase pumps, stay updated. Chapter 6, the final word. The smart money move. The next bull run won't be about meme coins or speculation, it'll be about blockchains that solve problems and tokens with purpose. XRP and HBAR are already integrated into governments, banks, enterprises, and real-world infrastructure. The smart money sees it. The experts are loading up. The question is, will you? If this video helped you see the bigger picture, share it with a fellow investor. Stay tuned, stay smart, and stay ahead of the curve. This is not just crypto, this is the future of finance. Thanks for watching.